India's #1 smartwatch company Noise has launched 2 new feature-loaded smartwatches and I have them here just for you. Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Purvika. The first one we are going to look at out of the two is the Noise ColorFit Pro 3. Let's first unbox it before getting into the details. To start with, let's take a look at the design and display. This cool looking smartwatch comes with 1.55-inch TrueView HD display. The design looks pretty cool and the touch sensitivity on the device is very responsive as well. It comes with SpO2 monitoring, stress monitoring, heart rate monitoring and sleep monitoring. And for the sports enthusiast, it comes preloaded with 14 different sports modes. Now let's see the other highlights. We can set cloud-based watch faces and customize them as per our preference on the smartwatch. Next is the 24/7 heart rate monitoring that gives you real-time readings. It monitors every single beat of your heart and immediately alerts you if it detects anything out of the ordinary, which is very helpful for many. And that 14 different sports modes I mentioned earlier comes with auto sports recognition. With this recognition system, the smartwatch automatically gauges all your physical activities like walking, jogging and starts tracking it automatically. Also, you don't have to worry if you want to dive into the pool as this smartwatch has 5 ATM water resistance, making it splash proof as well as dive proof. So, with all these fully loaded features, it comes with fully loaded battery too. The device can give you up to 10 days of battery life on a single charge. You also get a magnetic cable for charging right out of the box, so no worries about the battery. There are more added features like call alert, wake gesture, music control, find my phone, hand wash reminder and water reminder, etc. To get all these detailed reports of your sports activities, all you have to do is to pair the smartwatch with the Noise Fit app on your mobile. This smartwatch specially comes in many eye-catchy different colors and straps. Next on the list is the Noise ColorFit Pulse. Let's unbox it. This smartwatch comes with 1.4-inch touch display. You can do all your sports activities without worrying damage from sweat because it comes with IP68 water resistance rating. Talking about sports activities, it comes inbuilt with 8 different sports modes to cover and track all your physical activity. Also, a single charge can give you up to 10 days of battery life. What's more, you get this device with different color options too. So pick one as per your liking without second thoughts. After all, this is from India's #1 smartwatch brand, Noise. So what have you decided? Noise ColorFit Pro 3 or Noise ColorFit Pulse? You can get any of these 2 smartwatches and even more from our official Purvika website. We have provided separate links below in the description just for you. We have 2 hours fast delivery and easy EMI options as well. Also, don't forget to grab a Purvika protection pack when you purchase your favorite gadgets to protect them against accidental and liquid damage. The Purvika protection pack starts at just ₹649 for you. To know more about it, visit your nearest Purvika store right away. I hope you enjoyed this video. A sub to our channel would be greatly appreciated to bring in more content like this. Also, don't forget to like this video, leave your feedback in the comments below and share this with your friends and family. Thank you.